yesterday we have completed the okay. So benchmarking we already discussed the quality management system. Today we will start environment management system. QFD also we have studied and quality only PMEA also we have completed yesterday. Okay. So let's start with our next technique for the quality control, environmental data after QFD. Now next technique is a environmental management system. So in that technique also we have to study how industrial or organizational quality will. Okay, so that is a main part or a very important technique generally used in industry. Okay, it is a structured frame from the managing and organization significant environment impact. Now in this type of technique, so we have to study, we have to consider all the environmental factors. Okay, for example, if you take one example of the seasonable, some products are there. Okay, for example, summer, winter, and there are 3 seasons. Okay, so according to that, we have to maintain the environmental impact on that industry also. Suppose, for example, in rainy season, this is very critical for the transportation purpose. Okay, so like that impacts also we have to discuss. Okay, so timetable of internal organizational faculty members. Okay, so machineries in rainy season, corrosion may be also increases of the machineries. Is it right? In summer season, some points may be there. Suppose also we have to consider the environmental impact of our industry or organization on society. Okay, so that points will be also considered in this EMS system. So generally EMS, environmental management system, is mandatory for each and every organization. Okay, keep in mind. So as per government rules and regulations, is always asking for each industry to following environmental management system. So if you are not following, government will ban your industry. So whatever the position, environment is very important. Now which factor, actually what is the importance of EMS? So this technique we will study now. Okay, so it may include waste, emission, energy use, transport, consumption of the material. Now in this type of particular EMS system, we have to study, we have to management of the waste. Okay, where your waste be stored. Okay, now type of waste, for example in chemical industry. Okay, so what is the waste for that? Some very hazardous chemicals are there. So waste decomposition is also important and mandatory for each and every industry or organization. Okay, so we have to give the proposal, we have to give the report to government agencies for the waste decomposition. Is it right? So then and then only your industry will be permitted for the emission also. So gases will be there. Okay, so what is how make any system emission? So in this model or technique, environment management system, all the important factors and all the guidelines are given already from the government agency. So we have to follow that guideline. This is nothing but the environment management system. Energy use, which type of energy we are using? Is that right? So you are using electricity using, or whatever the coal, petrol, diesel. Is it right? Bagasse may be there, solar energy. So according to that also you have to give, you have to study the EMS system for the energy use. Transportation, which transportation you are using? Okay, road, by air, by railway. Okay, so these different types of transportations are there. Whether you are using refrigerators for the food like products. Okay, so all these factors we have to consumption of material also. Which type of material you are consuming? Is it right? Suppose if you have visited any gold industry, okay, we can say gold industry, but there are some stores, okay, private gold manufacturing stores are there, enterprises are there. So in that also they have to some restriction, okay, whether you are giving very well material to the customer, Okay, so continuously reporting, continuously checking of that particular material also will be there. Okay, in fuel industry also, in petrol pump. Okay, there is a visit of the government officers with certain times. Okay, ना बघा रस्त्याकडेला पेट्रोल पंप बंद पडलेले दिसतात तुम्हाला. कशामुळं? काहीतरी they have given very wrong. काहीतरी भेसळ वगैरे सापडलेले असते. Okay, so like that. So we have to follow environment management system in any organization. That may be service sector or product sector. Okay. So in, even in government or hospitals also. Okay, all type of hospitals. In this type of COVID situation, you know that there is some government agencies are checking whether the vaccination or treatment of that COVID is very well, doing well. Okay, so this type of also we have to discuss. Decomposition of the whatever the material used by COVID care workers or patients. Okay, these are the some important factors. Environmental adopting EMS helps company for manage and improve environmental performance. Definitely comply with environmental law and regulations. So we have to follow environmental laws and regulations given by authority. Generate financial saving through well managed use resources. This is a very important factor. Why? Because if you see here, 100% material, 100% whatever the required we are taking from the nature only. ओके, म्हणजे निसर्गाकडूनच घेतो आपण सगळं, बरोबर का? मटेरियल असेल, मशीन, जे जे काय आपल्या तुमच्या हातात जे असेल काय, किंवा मशीन इंडस्ट्री जर तुम्ही बघितली कुठलीही, जर तुम्ही जिथून पाऊल ठेवला ते तुम्ही इंडस्ट्री करून बाहेर आला, सगळं हे कुठून मिळणार आहे आपल्याला? नेचरमधून मिळणार आहे. बघा, मटेरियल असेल, मटेरियल कुठून? अर्थमधून मिळणार आहे. ओके, डिफरंट रिसोर्सेस दॅट विल ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द अर्थ. Is it right? Sun also and from the nature. So generate financial saving through well managed use of resources. So we have to use the resources only. Okay, suppose you are using the solar panel. So very cost of your energy will be very reduced. Okay, so we have to take a maximum uses of the nature, and at that time you have to care about nature also. Okay, so for that purpose EMS model is generally, or this is mandatory for each and every organization or industry, adapt to changing environment. So that will also be a very important factor. Environmental management system continuous improvement, management review, environmental policy planning, implementation and operation, checking and correction action, and managing review. So this is also same procedure. Okay, so already we have discussed number of cycles of the each and every system. Is it right? So first of all, environmental policy given by authority or maybe created by your own industry or own committee also. Okay, planning on that, how you have to manage the environmental system. Okay, implementation and operation of that particular planning. After that, implementation, check and corrective action. Okay, or we can say that the maintenance also. Suppose for the environmental factors we have discussed in meeting. So we have to maintain the plant the tree. Okay, whatever the area or inside your organization. Okay, so plant the tree also. म्हणजे झाडे लावा, झाडे जगवा, रक्षण करा. Okay, so like that, we have to follow the different schemes of government. Okay, these are some corrective actions. So at the end, you have to give the for that report to government agency. Okay, so that then and then only your EMS model, environment model will be completed. Okay. Organizational evaluation standards. Some organizational evaluation standards: environmental management system, environmental auditing, and environmental performance evaluation. Okay, so some agencies are there of the year under EMS. Okay, so first is specifications and general. So these are there some we have taken one short guidelines. Okay, so these type of guidelines are available inside that particular EMS model. Auditing also, performance evaluation. Okay, Now organizational evaluation standards are there. Environmental management system. Some standards are there. 14,001 specification inside that, like ISO. Okay, we have discussed in last lecture ISO standards. So like that, EMS standards are also available. So organization need and conform to if they want for registration. So for that registration, this code is required. Guidelines, principles, supporting technologies, this standard is required. Okay, so even in your product also, like ISI mark. Okay, so this EMS mark will be there also. Okay, permission from that also. Now auditing planning ISO 19011 is followed. So under that, which factors are important? Am I audible? Anyone? So, avoiding confusion over objectives, agreement of goals between individual and programmer, reduce duplication of effort, ensuring use of best audit format, completeness of team, all environment. So, these factors are under the environmental audit or procedure. Next, environmental performance evaluation. Information recorded to track perform against the set standard. Whether you are following the set standards given by authority or whatever that resources. Okay, guidelines from the EMS model. So this is nothing but the performance evaluation. Also, product evaluation standards are there also. Okay, under EMS. These are the previous are the organizational evaluation standard and product based. Product evaluation standards are also there. Environmental aspect in product standards, environmental labeling and life cycle assessment. To discuss again same that point, environmental aspect in product standards means guide about environmental consequences while design and development of the product. So some guidelines from that EMS model while designing and development of the product. So we have to follow that all the guidelines also. In second step, environmental labeling, basic principle, self-declaration, recycling or reuse. Okay, so that all the model will also have to study and we have to give the report, we have to record, we have to maintain the standards for that particular points. Third party guiding, certification procedure, declarations, type 3, business communication. So these factors will be included in the EMS model. Life cycle assessment, principle and framework and requirement and guidelines. The cycle assessment standards are here. These should be followed by that organization, and then only will give permission to run your industry or organization. Global benefit of the EMS. Okay, some benefits of the EMS here. So facilitate trade and remove trade barriers. They facilitate remove trade barriers. Now here the whenever you are using or you are following this EMS model, so you not get any difficulty while trading also. Okay, so some barriers are there for the trading. So whenever you are following the model, definitely that will not be allowed. Improve environmental performance. Planet Earth. Okay. Each industrial organization, if follow all the rules of government, definitely environment will be stable. There will be no any defect or hazardous effect from society to the nature also. Okay, so these are some basic global benefit of the environmental management system. Build consensus that there is a need for environmental management and a common terminology for EMS. Now, this is also again one benefit. Build consensus that there is a need for environmental management and common terminology for EMS. So whatever that given terminology, we can already discuss about the standards. Okay, so that whenever you will using that standard at the time of building of that standards, okay, setting of that standard, so definitely entire world or the entire global standards will be same. So we have to maintain that standards also. Okay, now very best example of that standard common terminology is WHO. Okay, World Health Organization. So from last 2 years we are very familiar with that WHO. Okay, so that WHO World Health Organization is giving number of guidelines, okay, to each and every country or globally guidelines about COVID-19. Okay, so we are well known about the WHO. So like that definitely they will give guidelines and entire world or globally that will be followed. Definitely your responses or whatever the saving of the environment will be followed. EMS implementation results in benefit of the improved environment, establishing regulatory compliance, conservation of material and energy. So input, environment, improvement in community relationship. So these are some global. So everywhere, if you are following a EMS model, these benefits will be happen. Okay, improved environment, establishing regulatory compliance, conservation of materials. So these are some globally benefits of the EMS. Okay. So only two techniques are remaining. So let's start with Six Sigma. Okay, Six Sigma and Kaguchi method. So these are also scheduled in our syllabus. So generally these are technicals also. So we are using a lot of time. Okay. So as we are mechanical engineers, whenever you will go for further education, so techniques will be required for your study also. Okay. In PG syllabus. Okay, so these techniques, number of faculties have taken PhD from these techniques only. Okay, so these are the very huge techniques. Okay, so Six Sigma is a second last technique of the quality control technique or tool. Now what is Six Sigma? A systematic approach to process improvement. Now here, this technique is also for the quality improvement. So some standards there, some guidelines there we have to follow. Whenever you will follow the guidelines, definitely your quality will be improved. Okay, so this is the only benefit of the Six Sigma. Now systematic approach to process improvement. Process can be related to design, manufacturing or administrative function. Now in this Six Sigma technique, okay, this is used for design, manufacturing and administrative functions also. So this technique is giving guidelines or taking analysis of this type of processes, design, manufacturing, administrative functions. It involves the use of statistical tools and techniques to analyze and improve processes. Now this very important and effective use of that Six Sigma technique is under this Six Sigma technique we can use the statistical tools also, different types of techniques to analyze and improve the processes. These are some benefits. The relatedness pursuit for variability reduction and defect elimination. So again, already we have discussed a number of techniques in this chapter. Okay, so there are techniques separate for this. Some technique for defect elimination. Okay, fatigue. Some for already we have discussed a number of techniques. Okay, failure calculation. So in this technique, Six Sigma technique is used for the multi-purpose time. Okay, so inside that technique we can use the design, manufacturing, administrative functions, statistical tools, analysis, process improvement. Okay, reduction and defect elimination. Okay, so these are the benefits of the Six Sigma. Where can Six Sigma applied? Six Sigma can be applied to all company processes. Okay, wherever a distinction is often made between design application, design for Six Sigma. So these are the some applications of the Six Sigma. Okay, so we will discuss in detail. Design application, manufacturing application, administrative and service application. For example, transactional Six Sigma. Okay, so these are the some nomenclature of the Six Sigma technique. Now Six Sigma is a quality improvement program with a goal to reduce number of defects to as low as 3.4 parts per million. Generally, this technique is maximum used technique in industry also. Okay, this is well known and result of that Six Sigma technique is very effective. So due to that the the use of that technique is very huge in industrial organization to reduce the number of defects. The main purpose of that Six Sigma technique is to reduce the number of defects. Whenever defects will reduce, definitely quality will improve. So main purpose of these techniques are quality improvement, okay, or quality control, you can say that. So a product is said to be of Six Sigma. Okay, quality, this is a symbol of Six Sigma. Quality, if there are no more than non-conformities per million opportunities as a part of process step levels. So this is a wide area they have given here, Six Sigma's area. Okay, non-conformities per million opportunities. So number of opportunities are will be available with the help of Six Sigma technique. Okay, the Six Sigma metric, sigma, this is a used, whatever the nomenclature, used in statistics as a measure of variation, standard deviation. And the central philosophy of Six Sigma is the reduction of variation of all our work processes. This is the main meaning of that Six Sigma. Okay, used in statistics. Actually, sigma is one statistical unit. Okay, or entity, we can say that. For after that, the standard deviation, we can say that for the standard deviation, some standard. The central philosophy of Six Sigma is the reduction of variation in all our process work. The Six Sigma quality technique level is closest to zero defect. Why? Because the main purpose of Six Sigma technique is to reduce the defects. Okay, so definitely this is a result of that Six Sigma technique is a zero defect. Is it right? Now total customer satisfaction can be achieved with reliable products and services. So here also they have given some analysis. Six Sigma levels are there, and whatever the defects rate, yield in percentage, cost per quality, poor quality, and competitive labor. So this type of tools are available. Now Six Sigma is also available in different levels also. Okay, 5 Six Sigma. In before, like your BS4, BS6, like, okay, for BS, different versions are there, V5, V6, okay, version R20, R21, 25. So these type of the sequences are there. Also we can say that the edition of that particular technique. Okay, the total customer satisfaction can be achieved with reliable product service with the help of Six Sigma technique. Now reduction of cost is possible as shown in table. So this is a whatever the reduction of cost is showing here. Now this Six Sigma technique is also used for cost reduction. Okay, whenever you follow the Six Sigma guidelines. Okay, so definitely you will get low cost or cost possible also. Okay, if you see this table also, there is a comparison. Near about 99.90% yield rate is there. Okay, world class Six Sigma, 5 Sigma are using for the world class, and those are the previous 1 Sigma, 2 Sigma non-competitive industry average. So these are the some examples of that Six Sigma or Sigma techniques, we can say that. It gives higher yield as indicated in the table. So Six Sigma is giving higher yield, okay, as compared to the other Sigmas. Improves reliability. So with the help of that Six Sigma, definitely reliability will also increase. Various steps involved in the application of Six Sigma can be summarized as below. So these some steps are there. Definition, identify the key process product characteristics for the Six Sigma quality levels are to be achieved. Measure, select CPQ characteristics, define performance standards, validate measurement. So as like we discussed in previous, okay, these are the some steps. In measure, there are 3 criteria. In analysis, establishing product capability, define performance objective, identify various subsets. So according to the product capability, the performance objective, so that are the part of this analysis point. After that, second step, 4th step is improve. Now we have to, according to the analysis, we have to implement whatever the results or performance of particular product with the help of Six Sigma. Now 4th step is improve. Screen potential sources, discover variable relationship, establish operating tolerances, improve continuously. So these are the some important point or sequential point of the Six Sigma step. Last step is the control. Under control, validate measurement system, determine process capability, and implement process control. So these are the some guidelines or steps of Six Sigma. Now again that already we have discussed in this. Okay, so in chart format. Okay, define is nothing but select project first of all. So under define, under first step of Six Sigma, so we have to discuss select project, define project objectives. Okay, these are the stages. Okay, so this is nothing but Six Sigma technique. Form the okay, after selection of product, so for particular that product you have to form better team to implement all the Six Sigma technique in your organization. Map the process, identify customer requirement. Okay, already we have discussed a lot on this type of point. Okay, so instead of directly we will discuss next step also. Identify priorities, update profile file, project file. Okay, so these are the some definition, some important steps in first step define. Now after that measure, or we can say that the observation. Okay, measure whatever we have decided in first step. So define measures. So you have to set the different types of units also. Is it right? Evaluate measurement system. So according to we have set the standard. Okay, according to whatever the standard we already set. So that standards we have to discuss. Next is determining process stability. Whether your using system measurement system is doing properly. Okay, any correction is required. Okay, error is found. So on that point we have to discuss. Study. Determine process capability. Now process capability calculation is included in second step. Set target for measures. This is the last point in under measure. Next, analysis. So these are the same steps. Okay, but whatever the work is different according to that technique. Next, analysis. In analysis, identify potential, whatever the cause and effect diagram already discussed. So Six Sigma technique is we can say that the combination of all techniques. So due to that only this technique is very popular in organization. Okay, ही टेक्निक एवढी चालते बघा. तुम्ही जर सिक्स सिग्माचे ऍप्लिकेशन म्हणून जर गुगलवर टाकला असेल तर हजारो लाखो पेपर येते. हजारो लोकांनी PhD केलेले आहे सिक्स सिग्मा वापरून. Okay, so this is a problem solving method. Okay, so number of researchers also used that technique. Okay, so this is a in analysis identify potential whatever the factors. Okay, calculation of the effects. Okay, for that purpose cause and effect diagram we can say use. Okay, again control charts are required. Selection criteria. Okay, different types of control charts we can use in analysis. Okay, now next step is after analysis improvement. Okay, again characteristics of the different factors. Okay, for example according to the control chart, for example scatter diagram like that. Different types of statistical formulas are there, so we have to maintain that formulas also. Okay, use that formulas also. Optimize. So concentration of particular goal. This is under improvement stage. Or set tolerances for factors, whatever the X factors, verify improvement. So this is also last point of the improvement. Okay, you have to give the tolerances for your entire work. Okay, because there is a no result. Okay, so our main motto is to reach up to 100%. Okay, some problems for due to the effects also there. Okay, and last step. So control we have discussed control different chart of types of control charts. According to the result, we have to manage. Okay, whether any difficulty is there, so we have to check that on control chart, and after control chart, which okay, so we have to go into that machine particular where the defect is there, maintenance is required. So we have to maintain that also. Again, monitoring is also in that control system. Validate control plan. So validation of that particular product, whether all the processes, all the guidelines are following or not. Okay, or that particular industry or process. So we have discussed that points also only. Okay. Now here the examples: Six Sigma Motorola. First year 20 million of initial top-down training program. Okay, so this is some data of Motorola is given. Okay, 92. Okay, 1 lakh out of 70,000 have participated in Six Sigma course. So this is a huge response for the Six Sigma. Okay, given whatever the different courses also done by Six Sigma. Achieved 80% reduction in the cost of quality per unit shipped, yielding to total saving of nearly $4 billion. This is some data of use of Six Sigma technique. Just 1 year after, saved $250 million on failure cost. These are the some analysis. Lean Six Sigma certification. So these are some certified courses are available. Lean, under Lean, okay, International Association for Six Sigma Certification. IISSC, this is a separate academy which is giving different certified courses to academicians, students, or industrial persons also. Okay, so under that IISSC certified black belt, green belt, yellow belt. So this is the technique, or we can say that these are the courses. So we can study also Six Sigma courses. That will be important for your career also. Okay, these exams are designed to measure a person's knowledge of the Lean Six Sigma methodology valid for 2 years. So like that GATE examination, they are taking exam also. Okay, according to the knowledge of managerial knowledge or industrial knowledge. Okay, so you will get chance to place into any reputed industry also. Okay, so ISO standard already we have discussed. Quality management system already we have discussed. Okay, so this is all about Six Sigma. So this is a Six Sigma technique, and that technique is generally used in different industry. Okay, so try to study. Okay, suppose you are interested to work in Six Sigma. So in our college also many faculty members are using this technique. Okay, so if you want to make a one project, any type of project, so or research paper also. Okay, so Six Sigma is very better opportunity to you also. Okay, so after that last technique is the Taguchi. Okay, so as like Six Sigma, this is Taguchi. Taguchi is also one of the quality gurus. Okay, is it right? So already we have discussed. So its name is given Taguchi. Okay, and Six Sigma why given? Because this is some standard statistical points are there. So that's why they have given the name as Six Sigma. Okay, and last technique of our syllabus, last point of from our syllabus is Taguchi quality engineering. Okay, Taguchi quality engineering, the quality of a product is the minimum loss imparted by the product to the society from the time product is shipped. So this particular Taguchi quality engineering technique is used for to minimize the loss. Okay, as like Six Sigma is required for which type? Main purpose of Six Sigma is to reduce the cost. Okay, but here the Taguchi technique is used for reduce the loss. Okay, so Taguchi methodology. So methodology of that Taguchi technique. The Taguchi methodology or Taguchi method refers to a series of DOE principles developed by Dr. Taguchi. Dr. Taguchi developed this method while working for NTT in Japan. Okay, so this is the author information of that Taguchi methodology. Now the primary concept behind Taguchi methodology is to design products that are robust. Now basic importance of that Taguchi technology is this technique is very effective for the robust designs. Okay, so in different type of industries. So whether the robust structure, robust product is there. So there will be this Taguchi technique is effectively working. Robust products can be produced at high quality levels regardless of environmental fluctuations in the manufacturing process. Taguchi methodologies can be useful in determining problems that might develop in production before they actually occur. So like that, already we know about the different types of analysis and design tools. Okay, so CATIA, SolidWorks for analysis and ANSYS. Okay, so what is the main function of that techniques? So before occur, okay, suppose there will be these techniques will help for the railway engineering also. Okay, म्हणजे काय म्हणतो आपण गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ रेल्वे. So this technique is very well used in Indian Railway also. Okay, because to avoid the whatever the defective occurs before occurring. Okay, so we can maintain or we can avoid that defects. Okay, or accident also. Okay, so Taguchi technique is very well known for the automobile industry also. Okay, so this is basically develop the product before they actually occur. So definitely when you will get signal before accident, definitely your cost will be loss will be minimum. Okay, so this is the main benefit of the Taguchi methodology. Now principles of Taguchi, quality loss function, there are some principles are there, after that steps are there. Okay. So first the principle is quality loss function. So in that quality loss function, so what is principles are there? Okay, first principle is quality loss function. So Taguchi recognized that a fault. So before that, all of you start your roll numbers here. Start message your roll numbers here. Okay. Continuous बोला start बराबर. हात का जाएगा कौन? झोपले सगळे. आता थोडं असं नको जागेल वा. नाही काय ठीक आहे. बरं वाटतं मग So some principles are there. So first principle is a quality loss function. Now inside that, what is the main purpose of quality loss function? Taguchi recognizes that a fault which required maintenance or inconveniences the user in any way. Now this is the first principle. Okay, suppose your industry is running. Okay, so inside that, whenever you will follow the Taguchi methodology, okay, definitely here we will get the fault. Okay, whether is a fault, and after the if you will neglect that fault, definitely accident will be there. Okay, so before accident, before loss of that particular production, so using this technology, we will get signal or you will get fault where is the fault. Okay, so you can give corrective action on them and definitely you can avoid that particular accident. Okay, so inconveniences in future anyway. Okay, so is a loss and can be measured. Okay, so in this this is also principle, loss and can be measured. Now to do this, Taguchi uses the quality loss function. The quality loss function represents the loss to society incurred when a product deviates from the target value. This loss is eventually translated back to the manufacturer through increased warranty cost or loss of future revenues. So according to that, this loss is eventually translated. Why? Because this is whenever you will use this technique, definitely you will get the previous signal. Okay, definitely you can avoid your whatever the accident as you tried. So translated back to the manufacturer and through increased warranty cost. Okay, so some, for example, some industries are there. For example, automobile industries are there. Some electronic industries are there. So they are giving guarantee to you. ओके म्हणजे प्रोडक्ट बघा तुम्ही मोबाईल कधी घ्यायला गेला 1 वर्षाची गॅरंटी रेफ्रिजरेशन्स असतील AC असेल ओके 1 वर्षी गॅरंटी 2 वर्षी गॅरंटी ओके वॉरंटी असेल सो हाऊ वाय दिस इज पॉसिबल फॉर गिविंग वॉरंटी कंपनीला कसं माहिती आहे हे वर्षभर टिकणार आहे 2 वर्ष टिकणार आहे ओके सो विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दॅट तागूची अनालिसिस ओके सो कंपनी विल गेट that data and company will give the that type of guarantee and warranty also. Okay, so this is the first principle. Next principle is signal or noise ratio. Okay, I think signal or noise कुठं बघायला आपण बरं हा I think in Katia. Okay, in third year also I have got that. So environmental fluctuations in the production process such as dust or humidity are also addressed by Taguchi. Now that Taguchi, Mr. Taguchi, we can say that. Okay, our academician, this is also quality. Taguchi is one of the quality gurus. Okay, so they have given availability of noise and signal ratio. Okay, so noise and signal ratio is one of the entity required for the maintenance purpose. Okay, so they have implemented or they have given that opportunity to Taguchi, okay, technology. So we can find out, we can use that Taguchi technology for signal and noise ratio. Now environmental fluctuations in the process such as dust and humidity are also addressed by Taguchi. These fluctuations are considered noise and signal SN ratios. Determine if level is within acceptable limit or not. So before occurring any operation, okay, so Taguchi will give you guidelines, give you signal, you whatever according to the results. Okay, so they will give information of previous or before occurring that operation. Orthogonal arrays. Again, this third principle, orthogonal arrays, first developed by R.A. Fisher in 1920s, are a key element of Taguchi methodology. Orthogonal arrays provide a way of assigning experiments to a large number of variables in minimum number of tests. So main whatever that orthogonal arrays are there. So these are also included in Taguchi method. So what is purpose of that Taguchi? So that orthogonal arrays will help for orthogonal arrays provide a way of assigning experiment to large number of variables in minimum number of tests. So there will be no required for to take maximum test. So within short time, so definitely your cost of that quality will also reduce and loss is also reduced. So main purpose of Taguchi method is to reduce the loss. Is it right? So definitely profit will also increase. So this is again orthogonal array principle of Taguchi methodology. For example, to test all the variables of a process having 7 factors and 2 levels would require 7 into 128 trials. Okay. About 2 raised to 7 using a 4 factorial experiment. The same experiment can be conducted with only 8 trials using Taguchi methodology. Array, orthogonal array. So this is a very huge reduction in loss. Okay, so Taguchi technology is well-known technology using experiment trials. While this saves time and effort, accuracy and completeness are sacrificed. Okay, while this saves time, effort, okay, whenever why time will be saved? Because here the बघा ना 128 ट्रायल घेण्यापेक्षा तुम्ही 8 ट्रायल जर घेतल्या किती म्हणजे 8-10-80 आणि ते वरचे 16 times time will reduce, cost will reduce, effort will reduce. Okay, so this is the main benefit of that Taguchi methodology. Okay, while this saves time, effort also, accuracy and completeness are sacrificed, and again accuracy also increases. Okay, suppose and these type of models are available on internet also. Okay, so at in my ME project was also like this technology. Okay, so I have also used for technology for my ME projects. Okay, so like MCDM technique I use, but these are same techniques are according to the purpose. Okay, these technologies are using. So already softwares are also available, applications are also available, that Tagochi. Okay, so you have to insert only values of your study, and so that Tagochi will give the result or whatever that guidelines. Okay, so these Tagochi methods are also available on the internet also. Okay, in terms of you can say that in the form of applications also. Okay, accuracy and completeness are all sacrificed. Basic steps of Taguchi analysis. Okay, so already we have known what is actually Taguchi and what is benefits, principles of that. Now let's start with steps. Okay, only I think 8 steps are here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Again, this is a flow chart of Taguchi methodology. This is only for syllabus. So first step is identify the problem and select the desired outcome. Okay, now first, like I have discussed a number of steps in each and every techniques. Okay, so like that, first step is identify the problem and select the desired outcome. Now problem selection, inside that select the desired control, scale and signal noise factors for the particular problem. Suppose we have to find out solution of any problem. So what will be the procedure? First step will be identify the problem and select the desired output. Okay, so which type of scale is required, which type of signal noise ratio factors, okay, basic entities required. So we have to select that. This is nothing planning also, we can say that. Identify factors and level involved. Identify all internal and external factors involved in the problem and select the appropriate range for each. Again, second step is according to scale, according to problem we have already identified. So for that, we solve that different types of factors or alternatives are available. So we have to take that, select that alternative, some factors also. Okay, so for that problem and select the appropriate range for each. So we have to select also level and range also. This is second step. Third step is design the experiment. Okay, so according to the factor level problem, we have to design the experiment. Usually is technology under the orthogonal step that designer. Okay, Taguchi. Well, one example of Taguchi. Okay, so your concept will be clear. Actually, how Taguchi will occur. Suppose it is a 10 lathe machine. Okay, industry. Okay, 10 lathe machines are working simultaneously. So if there will be any difficulty will happen inside a machine. Okay, so with the help of Taguchi, we will get that type of analysis. Maintenance is required for which machine. Okay, म्हणजे या machine काय होतं, each and every must have to put inside that Taguchi model. ओके, म्हणजे 10 मशीन आहे तुमच्याकडे लेथ मशीन, त्या 10 मशीनचे क्रायटेरिया असतील. ओके, different factors required, tool changing, okay, vibration, material. These are some factors. Okay, so according to that input, we have to give input to software. That machine, Taguchi software, Taguchi analysis will give you. Suppose from that 10 machine, after 1 month, machine number 5 will be maintained. म्हणजे ती मशीन आपल्याला आधी सांगणार आहे. ओके, काय according to the comparing all the data, that Taguchi technology will give you guidelines, okay, before occur any accident or any maintenance. Okay, so this is the importance of the example of Taguchi method. So again, these are the steps. Fourth step is after design, conduct the experiment. Okay, perform the experiment and record all the results. Is it right? म्हणजे रिझल्ट मध्ये जे काय फॅक्टर्स सिलेक्ट केलेत आपण Okay, according to that factor, we have to record all the results. Okay, next step, perform sentinel noise analysis. This is also one of the analysis. Calculate the SN ratio for each factor at every level using one of the three suggested models. Next, identify factors giving the okay, I was left, huh? ठीक है, कुठं आलो आपण? Steps. Okay. Now, sixth step, identify factor giving the least variation. Identify the combination of factors that provide least variation and those that are closest to the mean. Select the level of each factor that maximizes the SN ratio. This is identifying factor giving least variation. So this is 6 step, 7 step, conduct confirmation experiment using the factors and levels determined in 6 step. Whatever the variation step we have discussed. So run in 7 step we have to use the factors and levels determined in 6 step. Okay, run an experiment to confirm the result. So after giving the information analysis of noise and SN ratio, after giving least variation, so we have to go, we have to enter that button, or we can say that the experimental results. Okay, so we will get the result. If results are unsatisfactory, repeat the process. So this is 8th step. So you will get result. Suppose for example you have given all the informations of that 10 lathe machines. Okay, so after filling all the data of that entire 10 machines, to that software will give analysis. Suppose for example machine number 5 will give required maintenance after 55 months, after 10 days. Okay, which maintenance will also they will give. Okay, why these techniques are required? For example, if you consider the sugarcane industry, okay, sugar industries are there. So inside that sugar industry there is a very short period. Okay, म्हणजे continuously sugar industry सुरू नसते आपल्याला. Okay, according to the raw material available. Okay, म्हणजे 4 ते 5 महिने किंवा according to the availability of the worker also. Okay, म्हणजे वर्षभर तुम्हाला ऊसतोड कामगार मिळत नाहीत. मिळतात कधी ज्या दिवशी उन्हाळ्यामध्ये मिळतात. का उन्हाळ्यामध्ये मिळतात तर ते मराठवाड्यामध्ये पाऊस कमी. ओके, पाऊस कमी असल्यामुळं उपजीविकेचं साधन त्यांच्याकडे नसतंय बरं का, जिथं मराठवाड्यामध्ये पाऊस नसल्यामुळं, पाणी नसल्यामुळं. म्हणून ते लोक काय करतात, जो काही उन्हाळ्याचा दिवस असेल दिवाळी झाल्यानंतर, दिवाळी ते गुढीपाडवा, ओके, म्हणजे आता हे जुना कॅलेंडर आहे बरं का. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल किंवा काय म्हणतो आपण ऑक्टोबर ते मे किंवा मार्च, अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर शुगर इंडस्ट्री. ओके, ह्या इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये काय होतं 6 महिने त्यांचं काम सुरू असणार आहे. मग बिटवीन दॅट मिनिमम टाइम इफ देअर विल बी एनी मेंटेनन्स रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हेरी क्रिटिकल. मेंटेनन्स म्हणजे ऑल वर्क शुड बी स्टॉप. ओके, ते जर आहे तर कमी वेळ करण्यासाठी आपल्याला, इज इट राईट, टाइम फॉर दी प्रोडक्शन इज व्हेरी लेस. Okay, but during that if any maintenance will occur, so that will be very difficult. So this type of Taguchi technology is giving previous suggestion to you. Okay, so in sugar industries are also following Taguchi. बघा तुम्ही कधी विजिट जर केली शुगर इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये तर तिथे मॅनेजरला विचारा टेक्निक्स तुम्ही तागोची यूज करता का, दे विल ऑल्सो गिव्ह इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट तागोची ऑल्सो. ओके, सो इफ वॉट एव्हर द इन्फॉर्मेशन वी हॅव गिवन ऑलरेडी to their software, to the Taguchi analysis, Taguchi method, if we will get result. Now if any error may be happen, ओके, म्हणजे इनपुट एखाद द्यायचं राहिलं असेल तुमच्याकडून तर काय होणार आहे, तुम्हाला रिपीट प्रोसेस करावं लागणार. ओके, सो दिस इज द लास्ट स्टेप ऑफ दी तागोची. इफ रिझल्ट्स आर अनसॅटिस्फॅक्टरी ऑर रिपीट प्रोसेस. इफ results are some unsatisfactory, so you have to maintain, you have to rework, you have to repeat that entire process of the Taguchi. ओके, म्हणजे 7 स्टेप जे आहे पुढचे ते पुन्हा करायचे. इफ द रिझल्ट व्हॅरी फ्रॉम what was originally expected, reanalyze the data looking for mixed factors and repeat the process. If the results are satisfactory, the analysis is complete. Now Taguchi approach to designing experiment. The Taguchi approach to experimental design concentrates primarily on the design of fractional factorial experiment. Orthogonal arrays are primary tools used to design the experiment. So this type of orthogonal arrays are this is a setup. Okay, actually setup. So the Taguchi approach is experimental design concentrates primarily on the design of fractional factorial experiment. So this is nothing but the designing experiments. Okay, so we can design also experiment of the this type of fractional factorials also. Okay, a flow chart of the Taguchi methodology. Determine the quality characteristics to be optimized. Identify the noise factor and test. These are also like steps. Flow chart with the help of step. You can say that the methodology of Taguchi. Flow chart. Third step is identify the control factors and their alternative levels. Whatever the alternatives are available. So we have to give input of that. Design the matrix experiment and define the data analysis procedure. For the data analysis procedure, there will be Friday, okay. So design the matrix experiment and define the data analysis procedure. After that, conduct the matrix experiment. Okay, whatever the guidelines in Taguchi methodology, you have to follow that. Inside that, conduct the matrix experiment also. Okay, this is the inside procedure of the Taguchi. Okay. Analyze the data. आता बघा हे टेक्निकचे कोर्स आहेत बरोबर, जसे आपण सिक्स सिग्मा बघितले. सिक्स सिग्मा 1 तासामध्ये 2 तासामध्ये शिकवण्याचा पार्ट नाही. ओके, ओनली बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन वी आर गिव्हिंग. इज इट राईट? दीज आर ह्यूज टेक्नॉलॉजी. सपोज इफ यू वॉन्ट टू, म्हणजे बघा आता तुम्ही ह्या टेक्निकवर एक प्रॉब्लेम जर तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह केला तर तुमचा एक रिसर्च पेपर बनतोय. PhD होती लोकांची. ओके, ओनली युजिंग 1 or 2 प्रॉब्लेम्स. सो दिस इज व्हेरी ह्यूज स्टडी. ओके, बट वी आर टेकिंग ओनली बेसिक नॉलेज, म्हणजे 1% पण घेत नाही आपण त्यात. स्टेप्स आल्यामुळे किती 1% नॉलेज आलं. ओके, सो कंडक्ट द मॅट्रिक्स एक्सपेरिमेंट. सेकंड लास्ट स्टेप इज अनालाइज द डाटा and determine the optimum levels for control factors. Okay, after matrix whatever the experience, analyze, and last step is to predict the performance at these levels. So again analysis, or whenever you will get the results. Okay, so you can eligible for the implementation of result. Okay, whether these results are acceptable or not. Okay, if there will be any variation, so you can take another experiment. Okay, so you have to change the alternatives. Is it right? So you have to give the priorities to different types of criteria. So these are some standard procedures. Okay, standards are given by Taguchi methodology. Okay, so this is the main basic knowledge about Taguchi methodology. Okay, so thank you very much. So last step or last point of this chapter number 8, Taguchi technology is there. Okay, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so we will take very short revision. Okay, after that we will stop. So in this chapter we have discussed about the benchmarking. First of all, definition of benchmarking, different types of definition, information, different steps, 12 steps and 5 pages of benchmarking. Concept of benchmarking, reason to benchmark. Okay, why benchmarking is required. This is also technique. Okay, quality control technique. Benchmarking has several levels of benchmarking. Okay, perception benchmarking assignment, compliance benchmarking assignment, effectiveness benchmarking assignment, continuous improvement benchmark assignment. These are the 4 steps. Okay, process of the benchmarking, 7-8 steps are there. The benchmark guide. Okay, how we can use the benchmarking performance structure. Okay, deciding what to benchmark, some questions to be decided what to benchmark. These are some general areas of benchmarking. Operational strategies, marketing management. Okay, in this also we are using benchmarking. Quality improvement, HR practices, supply chain management. Okay, these are the applications, factors, advantages and disadvantages. After that we have started the APMEA, failure mode and effect analysis. Okay, this is also second tool. Okay, there are 10 steps are there. Some ratings charts are there. Okay, already we have discussed that charts in detail. 10 steps. RPN number. How we can calculate the, I think in yesterday's lecture we have discussed that. Okay, rating chart and calculation of RPN number. Okay, so already we have discussed, we have calculated RPN number also. Okay, giving or using one example. After that the QFD, quality function development, third tool. These are the same steps, 8 to 10 steps are there, 11 steps are there. Okay, after that today we have discussed Six Sigma. ISO standard quality management system we have discussed last lecture. Principles of quality management, okay? Principle of QMS, quality management system, standards. Okay, ISO standard, different series of ISO standards, benefit, disadvantages. Now at the start of this lecture we have discussed the environmental model. Okay, EMS, environmental management system, what is required for the environmental factors, structure. Okay, level standards, some product standard, evaluation standard, product evaluation standards, global benefit of EMS, Taguchi methodology. Okay, so this was the syllabus for last chapter. So this is a very important chapter for quality control. Okay, so in this section we have discussed 4 chapters. In first chapter we have discussed the management, and in second section we have discussed the quality control. Okay, introduction to quality, TQM, SQC, statistical process control, SPC. Sorry, statistical process control, SPC, and last is a introduction to various techniques and tool of the quality control. Okay, so hope you all have understood all the syllabus. Okay, so our syllabus is over. Totally 8 chapters we have discussed very well. Okay, hope you all have understood. Thank you for the better supports also. Okay, so entire subject we have taken online. Okay, not a single lecture we have taken front. Okay, म्हणजे काय लॉकडाऊन ज्यावेळेस उठलो त्यावेळेस काय मुलं आले ते थोडे, त्यावेळेस एखादं प्रॅक्टिकल तेवढं झालं होतं. ओके, पण पूर्ण सेमिस्टर आपले असे झाले ऑनलाईन. ओके, सो होप वी विल मीट early as possible. Okay, so thank you very much for your great support. I am very happy to you give information. So successfully we have finished our syllabus. Okay, so all the best for your great future. And if any support, if any guidelines, if you require in future, so we will be in touch. Okay, so I am very happy to be like student you. Okay, for your supports also. Okay, so I would like very thankful all the student, department of mechanical engineering or entire BE division. Okay, all the faculty staffs. Okay, as CC also. Okay, so this is a very great experience for me also. Okay, so being CC, class coordinator of your division. Okay, so only very small time is remaining. So at the time of starting this semester I also given information to you. Okay, so everybody should place in any company. Okay, so suppose जे झाले असतील त्यांचं अभिनंदन आहे, जे नाही झाले त्यांना ऑल द बेस्ट. ओके, शक्यतो जास्तीत जास्त प्रयत्न करा. ओके, सो युअर करिअर विल बी बेटर. ओके, सो बिकॉज दिस इज अ टर्निंग पॉईंट ऑफ युअर लाईफ. ओके, आफ्टर कम्प्लिशन ऑफ BE. आता बऱ्याच वेळेस आपली कधी भेट झाली नाही, ठीक आहे, कधी प्रसंग आला तर अजून आपले होईल एखादा कार्यक्रम. ओके, सो यू कॅन फॉलो मी ऑन फेसबुक ऑल्सो, Instagram also. Okay, so I am having some extracurricular activities also. Okay, so you can take the benefit of that also. You can give suggestion to me also. Okay, so I will be very happy. Okay, for your support and suggestions. Okay, so hope you all are very happy and all the best to you. Okay, for your better career. Okay, so successfully we have finished our syllabus. So if from you upper departmental guidelines, so we will discuss what we'll discuss in upcoming lectures. Okay, so I will provide, already I have provided all the study material to you. Okay, so today I will also update remaining study material. Okay, so thank you very much for attending this lecture and this all the lectures also. Okay, so I am very happy here. So thank you very much.